Hi, I'm Leah Ashley, and welcome to Design Buzz, your inside connection to what's happening in design and entertainment. Summer is here, and that means it's time for Big Brother, a show with some amazing characters, and I don't just mean the house guests. The house itself is a central character, and for 21 seasons, the design of it has set the mood and the tone for the series. This season, it is all about camp, and we sent designer Breegan Jane to check it out.
Well, hey Leah, and hello Design Buzz. We are here on set today to interview Scott Story, who is the amazing production designer at the Big Brother house.
So come on in. So this is HOH.
Oh gosh, how did you do this?
It's a tent. Every year I come up with a theme of the house, and this summer is summer camp or glamping.
And what is camp without a trailer?
I call this like the girls' camp counselor room.
Wait.
So isn't that crazy? You go through the Airstream, you come into here.
And I
it's like,
come into this oasis.
I wanted it to be fun, bright, whimsical, because it's camping.
Yeah.
There's a lot of wood and a lot of outdoors, and I just was getting tired of brown. So I wanted wood grain, but let's add a little color. Let's spice it up a bit. It's all about camp memories. We have all these little photographs, the Polaroid pictures.
Yes, this feels totally like you're at summer camp with your friends.
Yeah. Girls like horses and equestrians, so we have I wanted a saddle.
A saddle.
But let's paint it pink.
The camp-inspired theme is quite impressive. There are 21 different campfire-friendly coffee and tea kettles throughout the house. But those aren't the only impressive numbers.
How many cameras are hidden in this house?
There's more than you believe. There's 94 robotic cameras, and then there are additional cameras that are manned in the camera ring.
The number of mics.
113 microphones dead hung in the house. They're everywhere.
We are here in the boat room lounge, the actual physical boat room.
It is a boat.
Wait, there's not only a trailer, there's also a boat in this house?
The house guests always need a place to sort of lounge. We call this the lounge. This is a little fishing boat.
And lounging, I mean the arch on this, is this purposeful?
Yeah, absolutely. I want my house guests to change their posture. I mean, this room is so simple. It tells a story, which is, it's a boat room. And when you look at the Big Brother house, there is a through line all the way through, but each room has its own signature.
Thank you, Scott.
Thanks for coming.
All right, am I gonna get seasick getting off this thing?
I don't think so.
Now that is some designer camping that I can get into. Thanks, Breegan and Scott. You know how we love home reveals. Well, I have a reveal all of my own. Yep, I am due in September, and we are so excited. I have been in major nesting mode though. I've been transforming one of our guest rooms into the baby's new nursery.
So right away I can tell you that paint is gonna be my biggest issue and biggest hurdle to overcome.
Thankfully, I discovered Claire Paint. They made it super easy with their curated collection of colors and their super cool oversized swatches. My final selection, a gorgeous bright white called Whipped.
I've got a lot of fun plans for this nursery. We're kind of going a little bit modern, a little bit vintage. I have a ton of vintage stuff that I want to use, but I'm trying not to make it too vintage.
I'm so excited about this, you guys. We have really come a long way. But then again, so has he. Now let's head to Wilmington, North Carolina, where our very own Meg Caswell is helping to change the lives of families in a very special way.
Hi, I'm Meg Caswell, and this is Welcome Home Angel. Welcome Home Angel started when our founder, John Kaiser, had a great idea. He had 2 children in his immediate neighborhood that needed help with transforming their homes because they had special needs and severe injuries. And he had seen the TV show Extreme Home Makeover, and he thought, well, why can't we do that? Netta has cerebral palsy and some cognitive deficits. And her family is so excited for Welcome Home Angel to come in and give them this great renovation.
So we really love the downstairs room. Really, it's been a hard room to use because the space isn't really working out. Netta's moving a lot more, and it's harder to keep her safe.
I always believe that we should use our own special talents to give back to the community and humanity. I can't always write a big check, but I can use my own design skills to help these families.
Meg and her team of phenomenal designers are using their talents to make a very big difference.
I have found the best design team to help me transform Amanda's space. Typically, interior designers go into a home and bring pretty fabrics and comfortable furniture. When designing for children that are medically fragile or critically injured or have special needs, like we do for Welcome Home Angel, you need to start thinking further than just sort of that top layer.
Now Netta can be as independent as she wants to be.
You have to think further about therapeutic type design.
So the biggest thing for us was to find a way for her to be able to enjoy her space, have some sensory items in here.
And the team at Welcome Home Angel thinks of everyone because it is truly a family affair.
We also gave Big Brother Jacob his own new room.
Oh my goodness.
We're also transforming a special space for siblings because a lot of times so much of the energy and resources go into the child that needs it the most. Everyone who's a part of a Welcome Home Angel renovation is all in 150%.
It's going to make life so much more easier now that they've come in and done everything that they've done. It's amazing.
We are matching that effort here at the Design Network not only by supporting Welcome Home Angel with a show, but doing what we can to celebrate their amazing work.
My heart is so full, just being a part of this and just being now a part of the Welcome Home Angel family.
If you'd like to donate or find out more about this amazing organization, please go to welcomehomeangel.com. And remember to tune in to Welcome Home Angel right here on the Design Network. And that's a wrap for us. I'm Leah Ashley. Thanks for watching Design Buzz. See you guys next time.